Blue Ocean Steels was founded to professionalize and streamline the supply chain management of special steels. We are currently serving multiple industries like automotive, bearings, oil and gas, power generation, material handling and so on. But aluminium smelting is one of our main focus areas. Aluminium has already established itself as a versatile, strong and light raw material, and the world is increasingly finding the use of aluminium as a replacement to steel, wood, glass and so on. We believe our strong network with steel mills and machining facilities can play a significant role in managing the supply chain of collector bars used in aluminium smelting globally.
JSPL is a leading steel mill in India and caters to a large variety of alloy steel sectors, railways, construction and other engineering industries. JSPL produces a large volume of 3 million tons per year, and it can easily cater to any size of demand from the aluminium smelters. BOS has exclusively tied up with JSPL for sourcing of steel used for manufacturing of collector bars. It has technologically advanced equipment for high quality steel production which has excellent dimension control and consistent properties. The large mill has economies of scale to offer competitive rates across the globe. We have also tied up with a multiple of machining partners with state-of-the-art equipment and expert teams to handle any kind of complex machining job. They have many years of experience in machining of collector bars for aluminum smelting. They have all types of machining capabilities required for production like cutting, milling, boring, turning or trepanning, deep hole drilling, and so on. They hold the capability to machine a bar with dimensions up to 250 by 250 by 3000. And the boring machine has the capacity to bore up to 2 meters with precision. Every product at our machining vendor goes through stringent quality checks, thus assuring the reliability of the product.
We are very happy and proud to be associated with Gulf Markets International. They have excellent network in the Middle East for industrial applications. Their reputation and experience will help BOS in targeting the right audience, especially in the aluminium smelting industry. With our knowledge of steel and machining and with their knowledge of the market, we'll look forward to becoming one of the largest supply chain partners to aluminium smelters worldwide. The type of products we supply are both cathode bars and anode blocks. Aluminium smelting is estimated to have a $200 million market in the Middle East. We are just beginning to enter this. Our steel and machining capabilities can easily handle project sizes of even 10,000 pieces. We can supply generic as well as custom-made products, consistently and globally. In fact, at BOS we have started looking beyond the scope of steel now. We have started exploring graphite blocks and other non-ferrous components required for the aluminium smelting. This is a segment with nearly limitless potential, and BOS is actively looking to grow with it.